To open an Old Trust Wallet account, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the Trust Wallet application installed on your mobile device. If you do not have it, download and install it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Next, launch the Trust Wallet app and click on the option to restore a wallet. This option is usually found on the initial startup screen. If you do not see this option, you may need to click on the menu icon and select the Restore Wallet option from the menu. You will then be prompted to enter your recovery phrase. The recovery phrase is a list of words that were generated when you first created your Trust Wallet account. It is used to restore your wallet and access your accounts. Enter the words of your recovery phrase in the correct order, separated by spaces. After entering your recovery phrase, you will be prompted to create a new password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. This password will be used to secure your wallet and protect your accounts. Once you have created a new password, you will be logged into your old Trust Wallet account. You can then view your account balances, transaction history, and other information. You can also use your wallet to send and receive cryptocurrency, and to interact with decentralized applications. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase and password safe and secure. If you lose your recovery phrase or password, you may lose access to your wallet and your accounts. It is also important to be cautious when using your wallet, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. In addition, make sure to update your wallet to the latest version to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. You can do this by going to the App Store or Google Play Store and checking for updates. By following these steps, you can easily open an Old Trust Wallet account and access your cryptocurrency holdings. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase and password safe, and to use your wallet responsibly.